everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. The next video idea is how to make 2,500 bucks a week with Uber. Dang, so I'm sharing my notes every time that pops up.
Yeah.
Usually it's like I can do that in the background, but anyways, okay. Should I try to change it?
Yeah, click stop sharing.
Like, switch the screen.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh yeah, I was just sharing my whole screen. Okay, I have one window now. Okay, there we go.
Okay,
how much... hold up any confidential information, right?
No, I don't know.
All right, the next video topic is how drivers can make 2,500 bucks a week on Uber.
Yeah, how much can you make driving Uber for a week? Please mention your city. So this first person said they make about 2,300 to 2,500 gross a week in Philly. They spend
That's nasty. Is that gross? Like disgusting gross? Like
no,
do?
like the net, like that before expenses.
I'm just kidding.
So yeah, they pay 120 on gas a week. That's working 6 days a week, 12 to 14 hours a day. And they hit large weekly bonuses. You gotta
be doing 2 apps because there's a limit, there's a cutoff. What's the cutoff? Isn't it like
they said 80 to 100 rides / deliveries, so they probably do multiple apps.
Well, they said some people do Uber and Uber Eats though.
Oh, well, yeah.
So maybe they're doing Uber and Lyft and Uber Eats.
So
hold on, I'm gonna get some coffee.
Basically, what they're saying is that you gotta drive a lot of hours, saying 80 hours in a week to make that kind of money. But if you are making 2,500 a week, that's 10K a month before expenses. So just depends if you want to, what do you value more, your time or the money? Because if you have no life, then you might as well just do this, you know what I mean? Someone replied asking, how long have you been running at this pace? You just described my typical week, except with a higher average, which is totally warranted for Philly. I've only been driving for 4 months, so I'm just trying to gauge how long this is sustainable. Yeah, this is a good topic, guys, because I don't think Uber is a long-term sustainable job, okay? Uber's not your career. It's a good thing to maybe do on the side or do as a student so that you have flexible hours, or like if you just need to make a little bit of extra money for something, then you could do it like short term. But I don't think this is sustainable, which is why this person is asking how long it's sustainable for.
Yeah, not long. Actually, when I drove Lyft full time, I mean, I never really did it full time. I one time I did. For like a month or two, I was probably pulling like 40 hours a week here and like, but I would have to take like weeks off because at one time I would drive like 40 hours and I was also working another job too. But like just the driving alone was so draining to me. Like doing 8 hours a day.
Yeah.
I really got the worst brain fog of my life after that. Like after that week, I was like, holy crap, like I could not barely even think because it was just like so draining. Like, I don't know. It's like it's not even like well, it's definitely not physically exhausting because you're literally not burning any calories. You're just sitting there. But it's like your
It's
mind,
like
huh?
you need to be paying attention like 24/7 while you're driving.
Yeah, and it's constantly like making sure somebody's not going to crash into you or this or that. It's like driving is a very, you have to be super attentive.
Yeah.
Uh,
I wonder if Ronnie and Jordan are still driving like 72 hours a week.
yeah, I don't know. I
It's
wonder
like
how much like money you can realistically save doing that long term because even if let's say you're able to save up like 10 to 15 or 20,000 bucks, sooner or later you're going to have to get another car to do it. And like all
Ronnie
that
did
money,
have to get a new car.
huh?
Ronnie did get a new car.
Yeah, so it's like all that money you pretty much saved up then has to go probably to like get a new car. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah, I don't get it. I don't understand. And they also like when we first talked to them, I think they had been doing this for like 3 years. And it's
yeah,
been a whole other year. So it's probably been like 4 or 5 years or so. Like,
yeah. It is very interesting to think about like long-term saving doing this gig because it's like
these guys are like pretty young. Like they're like in their early 30s.
yeah, exactly.